We're live. Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Who wants to start?
I can start.
Okay.
And it says the Bureau of Labor Statistics produces data on unemployment and other aspects of the labor market from a regular survey of about, and I have that one as C as in Charlie.
Yep, that's what I've got too.
Yeah, better see.
All right. Number 2. What is the U4 measure of labor underutilization? For that one, I have B, 6.9.
B 6.9.
Yep.
Well, to be honest, I got confused on the numbers of this one. I didn't know which one I should add. I got confused, and I got letter A, but I was not sure about it.
I can't remember where I read it, and I have it written down somewhere in my notes, but I remember I did it a couple of times and I got B both times.
B.
I
Okay.
I'll have to go back and look.
I didn't.
What did
got
you
that
get?
one. No, I didn't get that one. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. So number 3, all else equal, which of the following would increase the unemployment rate? And mark letter C, 2 and 3 only.
So this one I put B. It would only be 3 because if you look in the interactive presentation, like the reading, it says that people that retire aren't part of unemployment. They're part of the I forget what it's called, but it's not part of unemployment. Let me look it up. I'm going to pull it up real fast because I remember reading specifically about that, and that's why because I was going to put C as well, but then I changed it to B after I read that. I was like, wait a second. Hold on, I'm just going to pull it up really fast on the interactive book. Hang on. It's loading. My computer is really not fast. Okay. So if you go to 15-1A under the how is unemployment measured, it says unemployed. This category includes those who were not employed, were available for work, and had tried to find employment during the previous 4 weeks. It also includes those waiting to be recalled from a job from which they had been laid off. And then there's a category that says not in the labor force. And this says that this category includes those who fit neither of the first 2 categories, such as full-time students, homemakers, and retirees, so people who are retired.
Okay. So I missed that part.
So that's why I got B for number 3.
Yeah, great.
Okay, so number 4. And it says marginally attached workers are people who are, and for number 4, I have B, not working and are not looking for work, but will work if asked.
Yes,
that's what I got too. Nice job, guys. Number 5, excuse me.
Okay.
Suppose that the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the entire adult population of Mankiwiland can be categorized as follows: 25 million people employed, 3 million people unemployed, 1 million discouraged workers, and 1 million people who are either students, homemakers, retirees, or other people not seeking employment. what is the labor force participation rate? So for number 5, I got C, 93.3%.
That's what I got too.
Yep, me too.
Nice. Good job,
6,
guys.
evidence from research studies by economists. This one I put letter A, shows that increase in unemployment benefits decrease the job search efforts of the unemployed.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Yep.
7.
Okay. Number 7 says, when is an unpaid worker in her family's restaurant? The Bureau of Labor Statistics counts when as, and 7A have C, employed and in the labor force. Yeah.
Yep, that's what I got too. C. Okay. So number 8, what is the unemployment rate? For that one, I got C, 10.7.
Yep,
Yes.
the same.
Okay.
Number 9, unemployment that results because it takes time for workers to search for the jobs that best suit their tastes and skills is called frictional unemployment.
Yep, that's what I got. D.
Okay. Number 10, who in the adult population is counted as employed in U.S. labor statistics? And number 10, I have it as A.
Yep, that's what I have too.
Okay.
Okay, number 11. Which of the following is not a reason economies experience structural unemployment? And for 11, I put A, job search.
Job search, the same. 12. If changing consumer preference increasing the demand for satellite radios and decrease the demand for video cassette recorders, the economy will likely exhibit frictional unemployment. C?
For 12. Yep, that's what I got too.
Letter C, sorry.
Yep.
Yes, letter C.
Okay. And well, I have those answers so far. I haven't went through the whole question, so this one and so far I don't have the answer. So public policy, and I don't know what do you have.
13, I put A.
A, yes.
And reduce both frictional unemployment and the natural rate of unemployment.
That's what I put it to.
Okay.
Okay,
For the
so
14.
number 14. If there were
14.
no factors keeping wages from reaching equilibrium, then there would be no 14. I put structural unemployment.
Yes,
C.
the same here. For 15, I got confused, guys, to be honest. I somehow I reached number 3 and then I reached number 6, but none of these two answers are in the options. So can you light me up?
So on number 15.
Yeah.
So if unemployment is 2,000 workers, then the minimum wage must be 15. I got B, $5. If you look at the graph and you go to the $5, the line that goes from the bottom and goes up to the right, that's the supply of workers.
Yeah.
And at $5, the supply is 4,000 workers.
Man.
4,000, yeah.
Does that make sense? And then if you look at the $5 at the demand is 6,000. So if you have 4,000 workers, but you have 6,000 total, you only need 4,000, then that means you have 2,000 that are unemployed.
Yes, yes.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, totally makes sense.
Cool.
I was trying to do the same, but looking at the number 3, I don't know why. Maybe because I got confused by the 2,000 workers and we had 2,000 workers, and I was just looking for the number 20.
That one made me confused for a little bit too. It took me about 5 minutes to figure it out. So that's okay. Sometimes they're confusing.
So what is for this one for number 15?
15 was letter B, $5.
Okay. Okay,
Sorry, I
so
just opened the group
16?
quiz and I'm just filling in the answers that we have already.
okay.
Okay, so question 16 says workers searching for jobs that best suit them is mostly close associated with frictional unemployment.
Is that? Yep,
B.
that's what I got. B.
16B.
Yep. Hang on,
Um,
I'm almost there.
17, it says if the government imposes a minimum wage of 4, how many workers will be unemployed? And well, I don't have these answers. Sorry, guys. I don't know. What do you
So
have?
this one's kind of similar. If the minimum wage is $4, if you look at the graph, the amount supplied would be 3,000 workers, and the
Okay.
amount demanded would be 7,000. So you'd have 4,000 workers that are unemployed.
Okay. So letter
So
C
I
then.
got letter C, if that's 17.
Unions contribute, number 18, unions contribute to letter B, the natural rate of unemployment, but not frictional unemployment.
Yep, that's what I got too. Number 19, paying efficiency wages means that wages are, I got letter A, above equilibrium, and profits are higher than otherwise.
Yes, the same. And
Okay.
last one, the theory of efficiency wages provides a possible explanation as to why, letter C, firms may be inclined to keep their workers' wages above the calendar level.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Nice.
All right, guys, I've got all the answers submitted into the group quiz. I'm going to submit it here and see how we did. Looks like we got 17 out of 20, so we missed a few.
Really?
Yeah. That's okay, though. I'm curious to see which ones we missed. So I'm not sure. I feel like, I don't know. There were a couple that were kind of confusing for me, but I thought we would do better than that. But that's okay.
Yeah, me too.
85% is not terrible.
Yeah. Okay.
How are you guys doing on this subject? How was
This
like your
class?
first exam? Yes, in this class.
Did pretty good. I got I think I got a B plus on the exam, so I did okay. Not as good as I wanted, but good enough.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
like in total, like in the whole subject, I think it's B, kind of B or something like that, B plus.
Yeah. I'm A minus now, but I expected more from myself from the last test. I think that like the last exam, some questions they were like just like this quiz, like what?
Mhm.
Confusing at the end.
You know what's really helpful too is all of the additional resources that are at the bottom of each lesson.
Oh yeah.
There's always like test preparation and stuff like that that'll help you study for the quiz and for the exam.
In 2 weeks' time, we have
I use
another
that,
exam, right?
All right, guys, I'm gonna end the broadcast and then I'm gonna post it. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay then.
All right, guys. Do you have any questions?
No.
Nope.
You are.
All right. Well, good luck
Okay,
this
then.
week,
You too.
You too, man.
and
Thanks for
we'll see you
hosting the
next
meeting.
week.
All right. See you next
All right,
week.
guys.
See you then.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.